Animal Farm by George Orwell is an allegorical novella that satirizes the Russian Revolution and the subsequent Soviet Union. The story is set on Manor Farm, where the mistreated animals, led by the pigs Napoleon and Snowball, overthrow their human farmer, Mr. Jones. They establish a new regime based on the principles of animalism, promoting equality and shared prosperity. Initially, the farm thrives under the animals' collective efforts. However, as time progresses, power corrupts the pigs, particularly Napoleon, who becomes increasingly authoritarian. He exiles Snowball, manipulates the other animals, and gradually assumes a dictator-like role. The pigs start to indulge in the very vices they once condemned, altering the farm's commandments to suit their needs. By the end, the pigs are indistinguishable from the humans they replaced, and the farm's original ideals are entirely betrayed. The story serves as a critique of totalitarianism, highlighting how revolutionary ideals can be corrupted